Online guitar lessons. Novice online guitar lessons normally have standard songs ranges as well as the best ways to place for sure chords. It is important to have some amount of money of songs concept so you could constantly drop back to it, this perhaps even when you end up being a professional artist. If you are looking for novice online guitar lessons on the internet, it takes a lot more preventative measure compared to having personal tuition at a regional guitar center or residency. On the internet, guitar tuition is a significantly preferred means to get the tool, and also to discover how you can play capably. You need to constantly look for a publication or item of software program that has actually been well assessed, has great testimonies as well as has a 100% cash back warranty. Online guitar lessons are more affordable and also, sometimes, your initial lessons are also cost-free. On the online guitar lessons provide means much more bang for the dollar. On the internet, online guitar lessons are made to permit you to have a fun time while you are discovering how to play the guitar. I would certainly likewise advise that you look at several of the cost-free lessons offered, however beware, they are really restricted as well as the high quality is typically so inadequate it in fact winds up complicated and also slowing your guitar ability growth significantly. Indeed, please however take some cost-free suggestions. Be tired of any kind of website that pulls you right into providing email address for limitless totally free lessons or comparable deals. Merely keep in mind, a complimentary lesson is okay, yet it is not likely that any type of genuine guitar specialist guitar instructor out there is most likely to wish to merely surrender all their years of encounter absolutely free, permanently. Some online guitar lessons could set you back up to $30 each hour or even more. Lesson costs could quickly include up, as well as are not practical for many individuals. Online guitar lessons are just as effective when individuals are dedicated to making them effective. The disadvantage to this is that it could come to be extremely costly extremely rapidly, as well as you will certainly constantly have to count on an individual else's training routine. On the online guitar lessons provide you the adaptability to discover when and also where you desire, at your very own speed, making use of product targeted simply for your demands. With correct on the internet lessons or finding out product, it is constantly there at hand all the time, whenever you wish to take your guitar abilities to a brand new degree. If you are looking for newbie online guitar lessons on the internet, it takes a little bit much more safety measure compared to having personal tuition at a neighborhood guitar center or residence browse through. Don't forget to like our video.